Welcome to the jungle, where profits grow, work grows, but salaries... let's not talk about that. It's appraisal season, the time when expectations are high and increments are confidential. Meet Python, the brain behind everything. He automated tasks, built AI models, reduced workload, basically made the entire jungle smarter. Others were relaxing, because Python was working.
Python, your work is outstanding. AI, automation, everything runs because of you.
You've made everyone's life easier. So, we are promoting you.
That's great. What about salary?
Same, but more responsibility. Congratulations, you just unlocked more work.
Python didn't just automate the system, he automated his own salary growth. Meet Monkey, always busy. Coding, meetings, helping others, replying "yes bro" to everything.
I handle back-end, front-end, production issues, even chai breaks.
You lack focus.
Excuse me? I did everything.
Exactly.
In the jungle, being busy is easy, being valuable is different. Tortoise, the most reliable employee. No noise, no drama, just work.
I delivered everything on time.
Yes, and we expect the same next year.
That's it?
You're consistent.
And invisible?
If you don't talk about your work, no one else will. Peacock, always in the spotlight. Presentations, meetings, camera always on.
I led strategy, client calls, presentations.
Yes, but where is the actual work?
But I looked confident.
Looking successful and being successful are two different jobs. Horse, the one who does the real work. Deadlines? Horse. Problems? Horse. Pressure? Definitely horse.
I handled the biggest project.
Exactly why we can't promote you.
Why?
If you move, who will do the work?
Welcome to the reward for hard work. More work. And then there's Donkey. The most helpful, most available, most overused employee. Extra work? Yes. Weekend work? Yes. Someone else's work? Also yes.
भाई तू कर देना. Just small help.
Yeah, I'll manage.
He managed everything, except his own growth.
I helped everyone, handled extra work. Yes, you are very supportive.
But you need to focus on yourself.
So, saying yes was my mistake. Work-life balance is important.
In every jungle, the most helpful person is often the most forgotten. And after all this, great work everyone. Let's aim higher next year. Next year, pakka hike.